In this video, you will see how to add bullet points in Canva like this. It's very easy. First, at the left hand side, you need to click here on the text and then select the option. For example, add a heading. Then paste the text. After pasting the text, click outside and then arrange the text box wherever you want inside the document. Now double click inside the text box and select the text for the bullet points. And then click on this option of list. After clicking on this option, you will get the bullet points. If you click one more time on the bullet points, you will get the numbering. And if you click on the bullet point option third time, the bullet points will be removed. However, note that the text is not aligned properly. To align the text properly, you need to click on the alignment option to left align the text properly. In this way, you can add bullet points in Canva presentation. Click on that like button, comment below and let me know if this video solved your problem. And don't forget to check out these useful videos if you want to learn Canva quickly. See you again in the next one.